Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bulldog Abrasives channel. Today we are going to be going over the flattening procedures of primer. Let's dive right into it and start with the application of dry guide coat. It is important to apply the dry guide coat to point out any imperfections like this one over here. Now we can start blocking the primer on the repaired area with a P400 Abrasives strip. Now that we finished sanding with the P400 Abrasives strip, we can move on to reapplying dry guide coat and sanding with a P400 Mercury Gold disc. Before we start sanding with the P400, just need to stress the importance of an interface pad. If you do not use an interface pad, your scratch pattern on the panel might be a bit too aggressive and you're going to have to reapply primer. You don't want to do that, so just use an interface pad. Before we reapply dry guide coat and sand with the P500 Mercury Gold disc, it is important to note that we are using a 2.5mm orbital sander for primer, instead of a 5mm, which will be too aggressive. To avoid any potential damage to the surrounding areas of the repair panel, we recommend using a protective tape, such as a masking tape or painter's tape, to cover any adjacent panels while sanding with an orbital sander. This will help prevent any accidental scratches or damage to the surrounding areas. Once again, if there are any sensitive areas that the sander cannot reach, rather use a microfine and an ultrafine flat pad in those sensitive areas to avoid redoing your work. We can start by using an ultrafine flat pad on the edging over here. As you can see, you don't want to spend too much time with an orbital sander on the edging, or else you're going to create more damage than good. Now we can use a microfine flat pad on any other sensitive areas just to finish off. Now that we've completed the flattening process on primer, let me show you how to blend the adjacent panels. For the process of blending, we are going to use Presta scuff stuff and a microfine Merlon hand pad. And that's it, your panel should be ready to be sent into the spray booth. Please hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. We'll catch you next week for the next one.